I believe that online courses are dying. And if you're building one right now, you might just be wasting your time, because the cold hard truth is this: nobody is paying for knowledge anymore, or nobody will be paying for knowledge anymore, because you can get it all from AI for free. So what are people ready to buy today? Well, if you stick with me, I'm going to share the answer, and the answer is the only thing that is going to keep your business alive in this new future AI-driven world. But before I continue, please hit the subscribe and the notifications button so you don't miss a future episode. Now, let's be honest. There was a time when knowledge itself was the most valuable thing that you could sell online. You had it, they didn't. If people wanted it, they paid you for access. But now that time is gone, because knowledge is now abundant. It is everywhere, which means if your whole business rests on simply teaching information, you're already playing a losing game. Look at what's happened. You don't need a $997 course anymore. You can just ask AI to create a step-by-step business plan, and it will. If you want to learn video editing, marketing, coding, AI can give you a structured roadmap in seconds. In fact, AI can even do all the coding. When knowledge is no longer rare, well, it loses value. Now, of course, I want to be clear, there will always be some people who aren't interested in learning AI and learning from AI. There'll be people who still prefer to learn from a real human being. And yes, they will still happily pay for courses that are built around knowledge alone. That market probably won't disappear completely, but the truth is those people are now the minority. The majority already know that knowledge is free, or it will be very soon, and they want something more. And that's the tough truth that most course creators don't want to face. But it's not all doom and gloom, because there is one thing that AI still can't give people, and that is human connection. Real energy in a room, feeling like you belong to something bigger than just you. And that's what people are craving now more than ever. They don't just want to learn, they want to experience. So the question is, how do you adapt? Well, here's what works right now. And of course, it's evolving all the time, so you've got to stay up to date. But what's working now are masterminds, where everybody collaborates, they share insights, they grow together. Live group coaching sessions where people see faces, they hear voices, and they feel connected. Also, hosting an event or a retreat or a dinner where the real gold is in the conversations that then happen after the presentations. Because people don't sign up for the curriculum. Not everybody signs up for the curriculum. They sign up to meet others, to network, to sit across a table from somebody who really inspires them. I mean, think about it. How many times have you learned more from a 5-minute conversation at dinner than from a 2-hour lecture? I mean, honestly, it happens. That is value. And here's the warning. If your business is stuck in the old model, if you're selling the same style of course that you sold 5 years ago, you will get left behind. AI doesn't care. It will eat that part of the industry alive. But if you shift, if you take your knowledge and you package it as an experience, you become untouchable, because experiences can't be cloned. AI can't replicate dinner conversations. It can't replicate the feeling of sitting in a room with energy buzzing and knowing you belong. It can't replicate live conversations even in a Zoom room. And that is where the future is. So here's the choice. You stay stuck selling your knowledge alone through online courses and you get swallowed up, or you step into what people actually want, and that's experiences. Real, human, messy, powerful experiences that change lives. Knowledge is everywhere now. But experiences, they're rare. And when something is rare, it's valuable. If you're serious about adapting, you need to do it now because the shift is already here. And if you found this video thought-provoking and valuable, then I think you're also going to enjoy this video right here. And I want to hear from you. Do you think people are paying more for knowledge or for the experience around it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's start a conversation. And I read every single one.